Hi, today we are going to do some work with reading and writing some words that have um, something in them called glued sounds, or sometimes you might hear them called word families. So, in this particular lesson, we're going to talk about three different sounds. The first that we're going to talk about is an. You might know this as a sight word all by itself, but it also can be a word family. Now, word families, you might say, what is she talking about word families? Words don't get married and have kids. A word family, you can think of it this way. Did you ever have somebody tell you that you look just like your mom or your dad when they were your age? Or do they ever think that you sound like your brother or a cousin or somebody else? That's because you're part of the same family. Sometimes people and families look a little bit alike or sound a little bit alike, and that's because we're related. Well, word families is kind of the same thing. Part of the word looks the same, or part of the word sounds the same because they're part of the same family. So let's make some words with some of these glued sounds. Let me show you the three that we're going to do some things with today. An, and the word fan can help us to remember this. Am, this is a picture of a ham, a kind of meat. So ham can help us to remember am, but am is a word by itself too, isn't it? Like, I am hungry now that I see the ham on this card. And the other one that we're going to be working with is all, A-L-L, ball. So ball helps us remember all. Notice that in all, we have a double L at the end of this word or on the end of this chunk in a word. That's something that you're going to have when you have a short vowel sound and you have an L at the end. You are going to double it. So that's just a little something extra for you today. So let's work with some of these. Let's start with this word an in this word family. And let's make some words with an. So if I put this letter here, then I have k, an, can. That's a lot easier than trying to sound it out sound by sound like this. Isn't it? And that's why we work with these word families, so that you start seeing parts. Then you can say that first sound and say the part after it. Let's make another word with the an word family. An, pan. Can you read it? Fan. Man. And we even can put a digraph at the beginning of this one. There's the digraph. Than, like I am bigger than my nephew. So that would be some of the and families. Let's make a few with the am family. I'll make them and you practice reading them. Ram. A ram is like a boy goat or sheep, and they ram things, they smash into them with the horns coming out of their head. Jam. Jam is something like jelly that you put on your bread. It's made out of fruit and sugar. But you also can be a traffic jam, and that's when there's lots of cars and they're not moving very fast. You might have a paper jam in a copier or a printer when it gets all bunched up and then the paper's not going through the machine like it should. Those are all things, all different meanings of the word jam. Sam. Sam is a name. It could be a guy's name or it could be a girl's name. Usually if it's a girl's name, it's short for Samantha. And if we are writing a name, we would want an uppercase S, wouldn't we? But I don't have an uppercase S card. Yam. A yam is a kind of like sweet potato. A lot of times we eat them around Thanksgiving. and ham. That's right, just like we had in the picture card that I showed you at the beginning. Let's do just a few words with the all word family. W, all, wall. We hang up pictures on the wall. How about this one? All, tall. Very good. Did you notice how some of these words rhyme? That's because the middle and the end is the same. So I'm going to show you some other words now, and I want you to do your best. Read the word and see if you can spot which family this word is a part of. Can you read this word? Did you spot that it's part of the all family? This word is ball. Did you see that this is ham and it's part of the am word family? Let's read another word. Very good. I'm sure you spotted the an in this word, and this is the word can. Like you can read this. Or maybe you open a can of soup for lunchtime. Do you see the all chunk in this word? This word is wall. So now I'm going to tell you some words that I want you to write. So pause the video if you need to get something to write on and go and write. I'll say the word and then you can write it down and then I'll show you and you can check your work. All right. So your first word is Sam. Did you remember that Sam needs an uppercase S at the beginning? I'm going to say another word. I'll say the word, you pause the video, and then after you have it written, you can play the video again to check your work. We'll do that between each one. Write the word ran, like I ran very fast. There it is. See the and chunk in ran? Your next word is jam. Pause the video and write jam. This is jam. It's part of the am word family. Now pause the video and write the word call. I'm going to call you today. This is the word call. Did you remember that it's part of the all word family? Did you hear that all part in that word? Did you remember the double L at the end? If you didn't, that's okay. We'll just keep practicing. Your next word to write is wham. Now I'm going to give you a hint about this one. It starts with a digraph. Let's see if you can remember. Wham. There we go. Did you get the WH at the beginning? And that this is part of the am word family? Very good.